What's up everybody, it's Emily from Travel and Leisure and I'm at the Sanma Hotel. This is on the Brazilian side of the falls, so they call it Foz Do Iguaçu, which is Iguazu Falls in Portuguese. And stay tuned till the end of the video and you'll get a glimpse of what they look like. The awesome thing about this hotel is it is right in front of the Iguazu Falls. So it's right down the street. You can walk there from the hotel. It's about a 15-minute walk into the national park. So it's definitely worth a stay here. They have a large koi fish pond right in the entrance. So it's definitely very welcoming from the moment you step onto the property. And this is where your cab is going to drop you off, or your shuttle, whichever you choose to take here. And it takes you right into the lobby, right through those doors. And there you see, that's not me, that's my friend Daniel, who is nice enough to take this video for me. So it's also not my hand. So shout out to Daniel and check out all that he does at Let's Hear It, his company, and the link is going to be in the description down below. It's very interesting because this hotel is just all one floor. So the gym is on this floor, of course the pool is on this floor, the spa, the sauna, everything is like within walking distance, and it makes the hotel seem so much bigger because everything is so spread out. They have these little cubbies with little seated areas so you can kind of sit and read or chill, or if the walk is getting too long, you can sit and relax for a bit. This is where the spa is, right over there. And then I'll just walk you down this corridor just to show you what it's like in a lot of the corridors, and this leads out into the pool area. And here we have the pool. The pool is actually really big, and they also have the gym right next to the pool, so you can kind of bounce in and out. They have these lovely little cabanas, little tables and chairs with umbrellas. It's really relaxing. And as we move into the gym, it's actually a really big gym. They have a lot of equipment. They have a full bar rack and everything, so you can really get a good workout in here. And don't be afraid about doing cardio in here because they have air conditioning, so there's plenty of air moving around at all times. And here's where you can get some water. They have a lovely little shaded area over here so you could take a break from the sun. And the pool has a couple levels to it, which I really liked. You can put your chair inside the pool. You get towels over here on your right. And it's really a nice little relaxing area with all the trees and the nice open field. And a lot of times you'll catch people playing soccer over there too. As you come around this corner, there's a shower there. There's these nice little hammock chairs. It's a little bar table. And then you have the spa pools, and there's also hot tubs. And over here is the little kiddie pool. And again, there's plenty of seating, plenty of places to hang out. There's little tables and chairs everywhere, plenty of lounge chairs. And here's the entrance to the pool. One thing I really like about this resort is even as you see in the corner here, there's still a lot of light. There's a lot of windows here. There's a lot of open courtyards, and those windows all go into your room. So that way you have so much light in your room also. So they do a really good job of just putting light everywhere. And here's our cozy little room. It does have a windowed bathroom, so again, you get a lot of that light even in the bathroom. And if you come over here, they give you a few different things to start your day off with. There's a really big mirror. It goes all the way to the ceiling. That's rare to find. And then you have the two different outlets. One's a 120 volt and the other is a 110 volt. It's a hair dryer, little vanity mirror. And then you have Lactane products. So they give you soap, body lotion, a vanity kit, there's a beauty kit, there's tissues. They really hook you up. And here's the toilet, and it actually has a built-in bidet. So it goes, it's sprayed onto the wall. So these rooms definitely have good water pressure. Under here are some towels. They're kind of thin, but they do the job. And the shower is pretty small, but it does have like a rain shower feature. And with a window in it, who cares, because you have a window in your shower. There's shampoo and conditioner, some soap. This is where we walked in the front door. And then we have a little stool and a full-length mirror. We have an armchair and a side table. Of course, there's the phone, the lights. There's also a plug right around the corner here on the right-hand side. They have great hospitality here. They give you a little welcome note. And then you have this kind of round pillow. Then you have this huge big pillow. And then you have your standard pillow. You also have this nice leather headboard. And then over to the other side, if you look up, you're going to see the air conditioning. So you have your own AC there, which is controlled by a remote control. So you can kind of control it if you get too hot in the middle of the night. It's nice to have it right next to you. And here's kind of an idea how big the room is from this angle. And then they squeezed kind of everything into this wall. So you have your TV, you have your mini bar kind of over here. You get a fridge, but the only thing they put in there is the water, and you can call down if you want different alcohol and things. Again, don't use the tap water here. If you're going to make ice, use the bottled water. So here's the menu for the mini bar, so you can just call down and they'll bring you up different kinds of items. They call them kits. Of course, they give you glasses, and then there's 2 more outlets there. Then here's your little garbage can. I'm guessing this is also supposed to be like the desk area, but there's, as you can see, it doesn't really have much room to work on. So it's mostly just drawers, and then your closet has different little cubby holes in them. And they do have hangers that do not come off, so they're attached to the rail there. And then here's your safe. And these are the hangers I was talking about. They give you these lovely robes. You get 2 per room. And then I'll move you over to the window. They do have this blackout curtain that pulls down, so it's like a blackout shade. And then you also have sheer curtains that close and let a lot of the natural light in. There's our little courtyard view. After you come back to your room after a long day, you'll see that they leave little chocolates for you, which I think is a really nice touch. They also left the AC on, they gave fresh bottles of water. And I like that they did it for both sides. This is going to be your entertainment area. They have a bar, there's a piano. And then on the other side of the bar, next to reception, you're going to have like a lounge area. Look at all this wood, isn't it beautiful? They also have a little game area. There's like beanbag chairs and video games. There's a pool table. There's a case with all these little figurines in it. And then we're going to follow the path and go down off to the falls. The volume on so you get to hear just how powerful these falls are. If you guys made it this far, comment down below Foz Do Iguaçu or Iguazu Falls. And hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like these. And I'll see you in the next video.